Hello and welcome to this new lesson. Let's start with the steps to create an AdSense account. AdSense has recently changed the account approval process to include the following steps. Sign up for AdSense, add AdSense ads to your blog or website, wait while your account is reviewed and either accepted or rejected. Although the new AdSense account approval process is quite lengthy, the process will ultimately help to maintain the quality of AdSense for all users. It is also important to make sure your blog or website is abiding by AdSense policy before applying. Also be sure to read the terms and conditions mentioned on the sign up page to learn more. Now, before going to the first step, which is going to the sign up page for AdSense, I need to talk about something that is really important. Before applying for AdSense, if you have a website, you need to have at least 10 articles, 10 high quality articles. And after that, you can use your domain to apply for AdSense and place ads on your website. But if you don't have a website or you don't have a domain, it's okay. Go to our profile. We have a course for making a website with zero coding and for free. There's free option that won't cost you a lot or won't cost you any dime to create your own website with your own domain and apply for AdSense using that website. The other option here is making a YouTube channel, uploading some videos, high quality videos, getting some views, then applying for hosted AdSense account. I would recommend that if you don't like blogging or you don't have a website and you want to start off immediately. We have a course for start making money with YouTube and AdSense. You can visit our profile to see that course, but we will continue from now on assuming that you have a website. So if you don't have a website and you want to work with YouTube and videos and video production, there is a course for that in our profile. You can join it. Let's get things done. You will see an option to create a new Google account, or you can choose to use your existing Google account. Since we already made a Google account, we will click on sign in. Okay, now let's go to the sign up page. Okay. Let's go using our, okay, this is, if you write AdSense.com on your website or in your browser, this is it. Turn your passion into profit. As you can see, few reasons why almost 2 million people have chosen AdSense. This is a demonstration of how AdSense ads are placed in your website. As you can see, this is an ad and this is another ad. This is a cooking blog. Okay. Benefits, you are in control, how it works. There is a guide here. Now there's also a mobile app. Let's start by signing up. Sign up now. This is the first. Let's sign in with our account that we just created in the previous lesson. Now it's asking us for our website. You have to enter your website URL here and select your website language. Sorry. Okay, now let me choose English. And let's say there is a website for one of my friends. Let's start by adding AdSense ads to this website. This is the website. The main language is English. Save and continue. Now as you can see, it's asking me for my contact information. Now if we want back here, you will notice that you must make sure to add your website domain with HTTP or without HTTP, just the www, just like I did in the previous. But now if you add the HTTP, AdSense is removing it automatically and they are getting only the www website. Now talking about the AdSense contact information, this is the most important part in the creating account process. I remember making a couple of mistakes at this part when I first signed up. Hopefully if you follow this guide you won't make the same mistakes. The payee name is very important. Make sure to use the same name under which you have a bank account, as AdSense will be sending you checks or EFT payments under that name. If you make a mistake here, changing the payee name of your account will be difficult in many countries, including India, or for example India. They are not allowing changing the payee name, so you will have to go and create another AdSense account with the right payee name. And here is a list of the countries which are not allowed to change the payee name after signing up. So ensure your bank account name and payee name are exactly the same. Then add your contact information and fill in the other details. Let's see that list of countries that are not allowed to change their payee name. This is a strict policy from Google. As you can see, this is the list of countries. As you can see, Algeria, Bahrain, Egypt, India, Palestine, Pakistan, Oman, Nepal. They are Middle East countries, as you can see here, most of them. So make sure to write the right payee name. Now let's add the information. Your time zone, mine is +2. Okay, let's see, where is Jerusalem? Okay, +2. It's individual account name. Let's say that my name is it okay? This is the field, the name field. This is the address field. I will add this information later. Now the primary contact name, add the same name here. Add your phone number, your email address, and here you can select how did you get to know AdSense. Okay, not an online ad, online form or blog. AdSense email preferences, say yes to all to show them that you are interested in AdSense. Now you must write your address just like in Apple. Get an electricity bill or get a phone bill and see how your address is written. Choose the very same lines of address here and here. Write the city correctly, since they will send you a pin via mail and you have to write the address correctly to receive that pin. I will fill in these informations since these are private information, and go to the next step, which is submitting my application. Okay, I'll pause this video. Okay, now they are asking me to verify my mobile number again. I entered my mobile number and I'm waiting for the verification code to arrive to my mobile. Okay, let's hope it won't take a lot of time. Okay, the code is 717. Okay, let me see. 682. Click on verify. And as you can see, this is AdSense terms and condition. Click accept. And your application has been submitted and is currently under review. We'll email you once your account status changes. Learn how to make the most of AdSense. Okay, they are giving me guides here, but the application is submitted, and now you have to wait for their response. They will check your website and send you an email once the process is done. But you have to make sure that your website follows AdSense rules. Okay, now if you went to AdSense.com, it will show your account not active. An AdSense account does not exist for this login, as your application is currently in review. Within a week of your application date, we'll review your application and follow up with you via email. Once you are approved or to join AdSense, you will be able to log into your account and get started. For now, you don't have to do anything. You just need to wait for a week and see where things will go from there. In the next lesson, I will show you my AdSense or my other AdSense account control panel, and we will take it apart together and explain the main components inside your AdSense account panel and how you can make the most out of it. That's it. This is Moneymakers team. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you faced any problem, please ask in the Q&A board. I'm here to help you 24/7, and I can make an AdSense account for you. If you couldn't make it yourself, just contact me. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Moneymakers team.